Nwanene counties mopogore opogore kano wang' nyaka dukni madongo mago supermarkets ohala mopogore opogore bende nokethe. Samoro Nduku minyalo medo kapok akayo matin.
In fact, he is having a point, but he's missing it because one of the things, the university look at our discipline from the word go. University kichope in ngama creative, you should be able to create employment. His concept is out of order because one of the things, and this so many gimaber, kesumo ya knowledge, so mumioji bedo a lot of research. Gimonya lo wacho eno bedo jo innovating with that education. So the point more actually any history does not make the present. Then why do you celebrate Sabasaba, which you did not participate on? If the history cannot make it. Sabasaba came from a history. Madejo moko make to bring the day. Magi manyone gorange and the values that have been attained. Mine no kodoyo kuye kwanoka. Mine no ka chachel kwanoka. Mine no ka kwanoka. So the issue here, any ngamanga nyenga, and he's giving the same answer. The same answer comes from the political leadership. Ni kuende moko sani the political leadership and understanding. Our question is, we will not defend Gen Z. Rastama nenogi, magia jo maju Gen Z makoro wado wachi.
No acho intelligence gunzi.
Again, such a moko pictorial evidence kaka ngamutum investigation is very evidential fact. You understand? And samangato nganyo midi monjo duka. Economic, ingeni angmitimo kanya, and that one you can't blame education. Ngamusomo knyal de turu duk ngato. Ngamarama jama mfund en nga ikejingeni waso bera gi notion moroka eni jo di school. Jo di school man. Ke ngamo di school generally negi a way of discipline kako manage himself. You may lose employment but you know tomorrow. And that's why Adwana Golgi Morokumji today Kenya, as it was founded, Somo was to be opened, Numundo be free, Nyakakaminya Latene. But Kichopo Ma law, you are supposed to be enabled to create employment. Manga motimo diploma, bendo dependitimo diploma under what discipline? Nitie ja diploma manyalo beda technician, mano ede factory. So what we need to be calling today, do we have a leadership that can evaluate kodemo and gain ability? Nikegiraka kori wacho no wakao jogi Sharon wadhikao na mama demonstrate kani. Wawani kinywa advertise teach. What were your degree apart? Can you get in among these people? You know, let us not be assuming things. Emomia wacho, as an investigator, you must analyze. Anybody no opportunities thing to one disciplines moko makoruji ani mani. Emomi awacho no ineno kasamagi di demonstration to gigo picture. To wa elo to waneno. To ntie namba makagi chopero giudango pesa.
Mana TikTok.
Winja. So this could be driving the thing nikichongeno ido pesa. So what we need now to know is the new study now. Our leadership, Karajon NSIS, should now find a way. How do we manage this process? Nikichingeni, giso identify ni jo pinjmende o erona kunde mango lwenyitie. Nikiche odwa okiode, to odwa ngeni kangemi wango sokuwa okwang. So, how do we manage this thing moving forward? To kwanyal blame education. Education you som kabisa. Kendo ne gwaya mangeny. The only thing is, are you doing the right course?